So guys, the good news is I lost weight. I lost about 4.5 pounds, give or take. I got on the scale without my phone, holding my phone in my hands. I lost, at the scale read as 227.1, but with my phone it read 227.4. So guys, you know, we're not counting every, you know, number, but it matters. So I'm excited, guys. It's a big achievement. I've been struggling losing weight, and finally the numbers are going down on the scale, which is awesome, guys. And also from last time, just a reminder, and I'm going to put a picture over here. My weight was, I think, 231.8. So guys, that's a big difference. I'm already seeing inches falling off. As you can see, guys, remember in the beginning, if you went back to series 1, you will see that this was 40 and stuff like that. But look at this. it's sitting well. I'm seeing inches falling and stuff like that. And I've had a lot of people in my everyday life telling me, oh Nana, you've lost some weight. So it's a good feeling, you know, finally for people to start seeing your work and your progress. So I'm excited, and I'm going to continue with the diet. Well, so guys, like I said last time in my previous video, I'm going to Tulum to celebrate one of my close friends' birthday, and I'll vlog that as well, so you guys will get to see, and all that, you'll get to see the outfits. And we're going to Tulum, Mexico, so I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. I couldn't wait to share this with you. So we're going to Tulum, Mexico, and we're going to celebrate my friend's birthday, and we're excited. I'm excited, and we're going to have fun. We're going to, of course, drink, eat, and sleep, and just have fun. It's going to be about a 4-day trip. So guys, I'll vlog the trip for you guys, so that you guys can see Tulum, and also you guys can see what we did and all that stuff. And I'm excited too. I've never been to Mexico. This will be my first time. So yeah, of course, I don't expect to lose any weight while I'm on the trip, because to be honest with you guys, I'm going all in. Like, I'm eating anything that comes on my table, as long as it's edible, I'll eat it. And so guys, yeah, so that's what I've been doing. That's the update I wanted to give you today. This is not going to be a very long video. I was just going to give you the weight loss update, because I wanted to give you a video before I left, and then I'll let you know when I come back. I don't expect to lose any weight on the trip, but maybe I'll do a video to update you guys. When I do my vlog for Mexico, I'm going to also include there how much weight I actually put on eating in Mexico, because I'm praying I don't put on all the 4.5 pounds. Yeah, I'm praying I don't. Maybe if I can put on 2 to 3 pounds, I'll be fine, or go back to my previous weight. But I'll try and walk and do more activities while I'm on the holiday and stuff like that. But yeah guys, so this is all I had to talk to you guys about. I just wanted to give you my weight loss update, and I'm sure you guys were waiting to hear if I'm losing weight on this program. And once I come back from Mexico, I'm going to continue again on the program, and this time I'm going to be super strict, because I see that this program works, guys. It does work. So when I come back, I'm coming back on Friday, so I'm not going to give you guys, I'll probably drop the vlog that week, and then I'll give you a video. I'll start my program back again on Saturday, and then I'll probably give you guys a video on the weekend again, like a Sunday or a Monday, so that at least I have a whole 7 days where I have the results and stuff like that. But yeah guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and thank you very much for watching. As you can see, I did my hair for the trip. You know, your girl had to do a sew-in. I'm not a big fan of wigs, and it's really hot, and I just don't want to deal with that. So I did a sew-in, and yeah, so I'm excited. You know, I'm feeling cute, and I can't wait to go to Tulum. So guys, thank you so very much. Oh, who's that? Oh. Okay guys, so thank you so very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that every time when I post a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.